In early 2026, NASA is preparing to send for astronauts on a historic journey around the moon, the first human lunar mission in more than half a century. But despite the buzz and excitement, they won't be landing on the lunar surface this time. So what's going on? Let's break it down. The mission is called Artemis, to a 10-day crewed flight that will take NASA astronauts Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen around the moon and back to Earth. It is the first time humans travel beyond low Earth orbit since 1972 and the first crewed flight of NASA's Orion spacecraft riding atop the powerful Space Launch System rocket. Rather than touching down on the moon, Artemis 2 will follow a free return trajectory, meaning the spacecraft uses the moon's gravity to loop around it and return home safely. The trip will take about 10 days and carry the astronauts farther from Earth than any humans have been in over 50 years. So why won't Artemis 2 land on the lunar surface? The short answer is simple. This mission isn't designed or equipped to land. Unlike future missions, Artemis 2's Orion spacecraft doesn't include a lunar landing system, the hardware that would allow astronauts to descend to and return from the moon's surface. Instead, NASA's priority for Artemis 2 is to test deep space systems with a crew aboard, including life support, navigation, propulsion, and safety operations that will be crucial for landing missions later. Landing on the moon requires specialized hardware, a lunar lander, surface spacesuits, and additional support systems that aren't ready yet. Engineers are developing those tools now for future Artemis missions, especially Artemis 3, which aims to land astronauts near the lunar South Pole. NASA is taking a step-by-step approach. First, prove the spacecraft and rocket work perfectly with people aboard. Then expand the mission's complexity. Even without a landing, Artemis 2 is a major milestone. It represents humanity's return to deep space exploration, setting the stage for lunar surface missions and future goals like Mars exploration. The next giant leap toward the moon is closer than ever, and this orbital flight is a crucial step. Follow for more space updates as NASA prepares to launch Artemis 2 and continue humanity's journey beyond Earth.